Hello students, in yesterday's video I have explained Markovnikov rule, M's rule. So last I gave 3 questions to you. In case of HBr, absence of peroxide, presence of peroxide, HCl, absence of peroxide, presence of peroxide, and HI also same thing. So anyone tried this one? So I am going to give solutions for this question. Check it. First I will give solutions, after that how it is I will explain. CH3, CH double bond CH2. If you are using HBr, absence of peroxide, then what is this? HBr, presence of peroxide. I said peroxide, that is HELP. Previous video I had explained detail. So please watch that one. HELP. What is HELP? Heat, energy, light, peroxide. Peroxide using means it is homolysis. Homolysis or homolysis. So reaction intermediate. Here reaction intermediate. Free radicals. Reaction intermediate, free radicals. Reaction intermediate, free radicals, right? Now, here absence of peroxide, this is presence of peroxide. Absence of peroxide means it follows hydrolysis. Okay, so your reaction intermediate is carbocation. Carbocation is reaction intermediate. CH3, CH, Br, CH3. It follows Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov product is major. Markovnikov product is major. So I have said, depends on question, we have to write answers. If they asked question mixture means both the products, major and minor, you can write. Just they put question mark means you can select major products. Okay. So this is what? 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. Now next one. Here presence of peroxide means it follows homolysis. It gives reaction intermediate free radicals. So now here what is the major product? Opposite, no? Opposite. That minor is here major. Right? 1-bromopropane. 1-bromopropane. In case of HBr, we can differentiate two products, absence of peroxide, presence of peroxide. But see, look into the next question. So substrate is same, propene, right? So this is propene. Next. Here what is this? HF or HC. I gave question HCl, no? HCl. And this is HCl in presence of peroxide, right? In both the cases, Markovnikov product only major. Whether you are using peroxide or not using peroxide, the most important one, whether you are using peroxide or not using peroxide, Markovnikov product only major. So CH3, CHCl, Markovnikov product means how easily we are writing. In previous video we have discussed, no? What is that? Rich become richest. Yes, hydrogen. That's all. This is simple way. Markovnikov product means always you have to remember what is the shortcut I gave it to you. Rich become richest. Rich become richest. In terms of hydrogen, he is in rich. There only another hydrogen also adding. Rich become richest. Finally, your answer is this one. So, what is this answer? 2-chloropropane. Right? Now, go to the third one. Third question also. Third one. CH3, CH double bond CH2. Here I am taking HI, absence of peroxide, HI, presence of peroxide. Okay, so here also students, important note, what is this? Whether you are using peroxide or not using peroxide, Markovnikov product only major. Markovnikov product is major. See, simple H plus I minus polarity is there, no, simple. So here which become resist. CH3, CHI, CH3. This is what we call it as 2-iodopropane. Theory type questions. Propane reacts with HI. What is the major product? 1-propane, 2-iodopropane, 1-iodopropane. So like that they will give options. Then both 1 and 2. So like that options means names also we have to learn. So reason. I am explaining reason. What is the reason? See, first look into HF, HCl, HBr reagent. Let me discuss first about reagent. HF, HCl, HBr, HI. As we move down the group, what happens, students? As we move down the group, size increases, right? Element size increases. Then what happens? Bond length increases. If bond length increases, what happens? Bond dissociation energy, ulta, right? Decreases. Bond length inversely proportional to bond dissociation energy. Why? Because see, this element size increases, no, hydrogen and iodide size, bond length increases. Easily we can break the bond. Okay, so that bond length increases, bond dissociation energy increases. Now students, homolysis. Where we are doing homolysis? Peroxide. We are using peroxide. Help required, no? Peroxide means that definitely undergo homolysis. Homolysis is nothing but first, what is the first step? Step one, free radicals generation, right? Generation of free radicals or free radical generation. Once we got the free radicals, then reaction moves fast, right or not? This reaction intermediates are highly reactive. Lifespan is very less. Due to this reaction intermediates, so the reactions taking place, suppose H plus in presence of water is there. Actually, water is weak nucleophile. To initiate the reaction, we are using the catalyst. So like catalyst, same like in reaction intermediates also, this initiate the reactions. Because of this only reaction will be faster. So nascent oxygens, we have learned free radicals, carbocation, carbanion. Now here free radicals generated. So free radical generation in case of HF, it is difficult. In case of HCl also difficult. Why? Because though they are having polar nature, even though bond breaking is very difficult. Bond breaking is difficult. What could be the reason? See, bond dissociation energy is high. Why bond dissociation energy is high? Bond length is less, right? So element size, fluorine size is like this, hydrogen size like this, fluorine size like this. Because of small size, strong bond develops. So he is not ready to break. He is not ready to give free radicals. He is not ready to give free radicals. If free radicals are not generating in the vessel, further steps not taking place. Then that's the reason if you are using peroxides also in case of HF, HCl. But I gave second question only HCl, but I have included one additional point here, HF also, HF, HCl case also. So what is this? Because of lack of free radical generation, it follows Markovnikov rule only. Finally, it gives Markovnikov product. In Markovnikov rule, we have mechanism, students. Mechanism, 3 steps. All 3 steps are exothermic steps only. Exothermic steps only. Okay. Towards final competitive exams, what is the useful? I am explaining. If you have any queries, just comment. I will explain detail. Okay. Detailed explanation I will give. Next, free radical generation. Clear. Now, next point, whereas HI. Okay, HBr, it is an intermediate stage. That's the reason if you use peroxide or not using peroxide, two different products we are observing, right? But whereas in HI, as we move down the group, HI case bond length is increasing. Easily it can lose, no doubt. It gives free radicals, So, but these two free radicals are highly reactive. So, it will give iodine gas. We don't want iodine gas, students. Actually, we need iodine free radical. If it is stable, further reaction, this iodine radical, it will go and react with your substrate. What is substrate? CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Then reaction further steps it occurs. But if it is not in the condition of free radical, it is converting into iodine form, no use. That's why we are using peroxide here also. It gives the Markovnikov rule product only. Markovnikov product only. So this is the reason. Okay. So finally, what is the conclusion point? Because of bond dissociation energy. HF case, HCl case, though they are having polar bonds also, bond dissociation energy is high. Because of bond dissociation energy, free radical generation is not possible. Difficult, not possible. Then it is not possible, it follows the Markovnikov rule. Okay. Now next one, here also HI case generation is possible but highly reactive. Because of highly reactive, it converting into iodine state. Iodine state is not useful in the reaction. If iodine free radical state only useful. It is not there. So then no, it is not further steps occurs. Then it is not giving anti-Markovnikov product. Finally, it will go to the Markovnikov product only. This is the reason, students. Clear? Now, next one. Grignard reagent also, I gave one question to you. How many moles of Grignard reagent is using here? So, see, what is the next one? Grignard reagent. CH3, C, double bond O, C2H5 plus CH3, CH2Cl, MgCl. In previous video, I gave this question. Now, in this video, I am giving answer for this. Okay. So, Grignard reagent, students, choose CH3, CH2 minus. What about this guy? Plus, right? Now, Grignard reagent have two capabilities. No, one it acts as base, one it acts as nucleophile. Depends on the partner action start. Yes, the partner carbonyl group. So definitely it provides the electrophile. So here compared to carbon and oxygen, oxygen is more electronegative. Partial negative charge here develops. The pi electron shifts towards oxygen side. This is partial positive charge develops. So wherever partial positive charge electrophile is there, your nucleophile will go and attack. That's all. Wherever minus is there, plus will go and attack. That's all. Now write output CH3, C, O minus MgCl, right? That's all. Now here as it is, you can write OC2H5. Now here, what is this? Another one. Just now on group adding no CH2, CH3. Fine. So now going to the next step. Going to the next step time, you have to see. So I said good leaving groups are there. If good leaving groups are there, what happened? Reversal of charge possible. Good leaving group. If good leaving group is there, reversal of charge possible. Reversal of charge possible, right? What are good leaving groups? I have listed in the previous video. So check it once again. Yes, OR group, SOH group, Cl, Br, I, like this, fluorine, like this. See, this is OR group, so OR group, so yes, it is good leaving group, right? So, and the methyl group and hydrogen groups are not good leaving group. If these two are there, reversal of charge not possible, then it will undergo not good leaving group, not good leaving group. If these two groups are there, reversal of charge not possible, then just hydrolysis. Last step is hydrolysis. But before hydrolysis, we have to check it. Reversal of charge is possible or not. Yes. Now reversal of charge possible. This guy is going. So now what is the output, students? Here CH3C double bond O and CH2CH3. This is your product. Is it final product, students? Is it final product? No, it's not final product. This is byproduct. Okay. What is the final product? See, active site generated. No, if active site is there, further another mole of Grignard reagent it can use. See, this one I am writing here. CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3, right? So another mole of Grignard reagent it is using. If the active site is there, automatically it will take another mole and a further reaction will occur. Again, it acts as, what is this? Electrophile. So this is the condition. That's it. Now try. This is plus 2, which will go and attack here. So then what is the output here? CH3CO minus MgCl. And what is the, students? CH2CH3. And this is what? CH2CH3. Now look into this. Look into this. Further step, we have to take hydrolysis or else reversal of charge. Check it. Reversal of charge possible? No, because all are alkyl groups. CH3 is nothing but here generally alkyl group, students. It may be CH3, it may be C2H5, alkyl groups. Alkyl groups and hydrogen not good living groups, right? So then you can go for hydrolysis. That's it. That is your answer. Hydrolysis. What is the answer, students? Finally. CH3, C, OH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is your final answer. It is 3-degree alcohol. So first, how many carbons you have taken? In first step, how many carbons you have taken? Check it. 1, 2. This is 3, 4. And total carbons, and your total carbons also you have to check it. So finally, this is your answer. 3-degree alcohol. It is not 2-degree alcohol. You will get 3-degree alcohol. This is final product. So they are giving question here. How many? Suppose question is like this. CH3C double bond OET. OET, ethyl alcohol, no? So Grignard reagent, CH3, CH2, MgCl. How many moles of Grignard reagent using? How many moles of Grignard reagent is using? So what is the answer, students? See, very easy now. Answer 2. That's it. So after using Grignard, after reacting with Grignard reagent, what is the final product? Final product, 3-degree alcohol. 3-degree alcohol. Okay. So they will give options 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, like that. 3-degree answer. And next, sometimes IUPAC names also they'll ask. What is the IUPAC names type? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 3 methyl, 3 pentanol, like this. Any common names they may ask, IUPAC names they may ask, direct questions, indirect questions, anything. So with this Grignard reagent successfully we have completed. If you have any queries also, no issue. You can send message and you can just put in comment box. Then I will explain that concept to you, students. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. So prepare well Markovnikov rule, and most of the questions, even today I am uploading another videos also, Markovnikov rule related chemical reaction like H plus in presence of water addition and HBO reaction, OM-DM reactions. Next videos also you can watch, then easily within seconds you can give answer. Okay students, I am going to close this one. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for coming more videos, especially organic chemistry shortcuts.